Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these beautiful, colorful curls. Stay tuned. So in today's video, I'm so excited to show you how I transform my black curls into this beautiful, colorful hue. So I use products from Gemini Naturals. If you are not new to my channel, then you've seen several videos of mine where I've used Gemini Naturals products. I'll link some of those videos up above, as well as my discount code where you can save some coins on these amazing products. So I tried a different combination today, something that I've never tried before, and I am absolutely obsessed. Like, these curls and this color. Before we even get into it, let me just give you a quick 360. So for this wash and go, I did not stretch my hair. These are day one results. My hair is so fluffy, bouncy, defined. The only thing that I did was took some oil and run it down the length of my hair just to break the cast. This is a temporary color gel that does have a nice amount of hold. I would say a medium hold. So you will get a gel cast that can easily be broken with a little bit of gel. I'll show you how I do that a little bit later on in the video, but let's get into the colors that I use. So the color combination that I use is the Pink Berry and Sunset. So here's Pink Berry, which I pretty much used all of it. Definitely got to get some more of this. And then Sunset. So I combine these two colors together. The only other product that I use for styling is the Curl Awaken Primer, which is so bomb. This leave-in conditioner has a ton of slip. It's so moisturizing. Like this, if you don't have this in your stash, you definitely should. So Curl Awaken Primer, and then the color gels is all that I use for this bomb wash and go. So let me show you exactly what I did. Stay tuned. here are my final results. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Like, the curls are popping. My hair is moisturized, it's bouncy, it's full. Day one, no stretching. Bomb, just bomb. I'm absolutely loving this wash and go using Gemini Naturals. Again, I use the Curl Awaken Primer, and then I use the 2 temporary vegan color gels in the colors Sunset and Pink Berry. Absolutely love this combination. Let me know what you think about this in the comment sections below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.